In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Fortnite fail to initialize BattlEye service genetic error. Now the first step is you want to come here and then you want to search for Epic Games Launcher. Right click and open the file location and then do the exact same. Once you're in here, you want to head back to Epic Games, open up Fortnite, Fortnite Games, Binaries, Windows 64 or Windows 32, depending on which one you have. Then inside here, if you have a BattlEye folder, let's just pretend this is my BattlEye folder, you're going to open it and you're going to delete everything in there. Now if you don't have the folder, what you can do is you can find Fortnite, click here, and then you can go to something called Manage, and then you can verify your files. Now I don't have the Manage button because I'm updating my Fortnite, but if it was updated I could press Manage and then verify my files. Once I've done that, the BattlEye folder might appear in here and then you can do it. Now if you already have the folder in here, then you're just going to delete that, come back, and then you want to head to Fortnite and verify your game files. So after you've deleted the folder, you want to verify your game files on your Fortnite, and then you want to restart your PC. Now this should hopefully fix your issue. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.